If you're like me, always on the hunt for the latest and greatest in tech to add to your arsenal, then you're in for a treat. Because today we're taking a look at a pocket-sized powerhouse that lets you carry your entire game library or movie collection anywhere you go. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Charge Disc is a sleek and compact piece of tech that easily fits into your pocket or bag. With a brushed aluminum finish, it not only looks premium but also feels incredibly sturdy. This thing is built to last, making it perfect for those on the go. This tiny enclosure is about the size of a car key fob or an SD card, making it incredibly portable. It's built to hold a M.2 2230 SSD that you can buy separately, and the mass storage capacity is 2 terabytes. So whether you're transferring large files or backing up important data, a 2 terabyte SSD can handle it with ease. In my tests, I was consistently hitting speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which is perfect for gamers, video editors, or photographers. It's not the fastest compared to other enclosures, but considering the size, it's impressive. And it's important to note that these speeds can be bottlenecked by the USB connection itself. If your device is rocking an older USB standard, you might not see the maximum speeds. Another feature is the active fan cooling, designed to maintain optimal performance even under heavy use. The Charge Disc incorporates a small, high-efficiency fan within its enclosure. This fan is designed to activate automatically when the internal temperature of the disc reaches a certain threshold. By actively circulating air through the device, the fan helps dissipate the heat generated during data transfer and intense operations. It has a low noise fan that operates quietly. During regular usage, the fan barely is noticeable, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt your workflow or environment. The write protection button on the Charge Disc is a physical switch that allows users to toggle the write protection on and off. When enabled, this feature prevents any modification, deletion, or addition to the data on the disk. A practical feature with an extra layer of security and convenience. Also included in the box is a silicone case that offers some protection from bumps and scratches. But it can be a bit of a trade-off because you'll need to keep the case open for optimal airflow. The Charge Disc enclosure offers a top-tier performance and features at a competitive price point of only $40, making it an excellent value for tech enthusiasts. So is a Charge Disc worth it? Absolutely. With its robust design, performance, and portability, it's a standout feature in the crowded world of portable SSDs. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient storage solution, the Charge Disc should be at the top of your list. It's impressive how tech has advanced since the days of the mainframe computers, which occupied entire rooms to process data and make calculations. And today we have devices like the Charge Disc enclosure that exemplify this progress by offering a powerful, high-speed storage that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Definitely worth checking out for anyone who needs serious storage space without the bulk. I have the links in the description below if you're interested. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Charge Disc and if there is any other products that you would like for me to review. Until next time, stay savvy. Get it out. There you go.